So right now in this trajectory rib, you can see the height of the rib. If we are observing the height of the rib, we may notice that the height of the rib is equal to the height of the outer walls. So this is because I have selected or I have placed the rib at the top surface. You can see over here, the line which I have created is on the outer walls level. So that is the reason the rib is extending from the base till this line, which is at the location of the outer wall or at the height of the outer wall. Imagine I want a rib which is lower than this particular height. So what do I do in this particular case? I need to find a placement at that particular location. So I need to create a plane at any of the distance in this particular height, and I need to create the line on that particular plane. So I will delete this existing rib right now so that I can explain you what I'm trying to tell you right now. I'll go to plane. Let me select the surface of the base and create a plane from the base at certain height. Say let it be 50 units. And now I want to create a rib whose height is equal to the height of the plane which I have created right now. So for that, let me show you the process again. Click the drop down list, select the trajectory rib, and for placement, you can either go by clicking on the placement and define and select the plane, or you can directly click on the plane which you want to create the line on. I've aligned my view right now, and let me create a rib over here. So I have to connect two surfaces. I've connected these two surfaces, and after that I have to connect the other two surfaces. So this number of ribs required is again totally dependent on the geometry, what amount of support we require. So depending on that, we can create the number of ribs of different heights as well. So you may notice right now that the height of the rib is very lower or less than the total height of the walls or the outer walls. So this is because we have created a plane and on which we have created the line of the rib. If we are wanting another rib right now, we can simply click on the trajectory rib and select the surface which we are wanting and connect it with a line. Simply press OK. You have another rib created. So this is another functionality of rib, and this is the way to create a rib of different heights. Let us look at some other features in the next video.